The truth about Canon's most underrated lens, EF-S 18 to 55mm IS2. Ever felt like your camera is capable of more, but your lens just can't keep up? Maybe your shots look flat, your focus feels slow, or the whole setup seems heavier than inspiration itself. Drop an idea if this sounds familiar. We've all been there, fighting blur, chasing light, losing moments. What if your lens started working with you again? Photography can feel like wrestling time and gravity. Shaky hands, fading light, missed shots. Stress builds as creativity slips through your fingers. But imagine if one simple lens could bring sharpness, stability, and control back into your hands, without draining your wallet or your patience. You'd rediscover joy in every click, every zoom, every story framed in your viewfinder. The Canon EF-S 18 to 55mm f3.5 to 5.6 IS2 isn't just a kit lens. It's a quiet revolution in disguise. Compact, featherlight, and smartly stabilized, it brings four-stop image stabilization that saves handheld shots you'd normally lose to shake. Its 18 to 55mm focal range translates to a versatile 28 to 88mm equivalent, letting you jump from sweeping landscapes to intimate portraits without switching lenses. Inside, 11 optical elements and Canon's Super Spectra coating cut flare and ghosting, giving your images clarity that pops even in tricky light. The aspherical element tames distortion, while the circular aperture creates smooth, creamy background blur. One travel blogger said, "This lens turned my weekend trips into mini photojournals." Even better, it focuses as close as 0.25 m for semi-macro detail shots, perfect for food, flowers, or art textures. Here's one way it saved a wedding photographer's day. When her prime lens failed mid-ceremony, this humble zoom captured every smile. Keep reading. There's a hidden trick at the end that boosts sharpness instantly. Don't underestimate what this small lens can do for your big ideas. The Canon EF-S 18 to 55mm IS2 has already helped countless creators rediscover effortless photography, sharp, steady, and beautifully flexible. Join thousands who've leveled up their storytelling without spending thousands. Supplies move fast, so secure yours today and feel the difference in your very next shot. Click now to unlock a pro tip for maximizing sharpness and contrast. Don't just watch, grab your camera, attach this lens, and transform your photography journey today.